Okay, so for the hour of code activity, I decided to do the DODO does math. So I'm gonna start playing it. Let's see how it goes. I've never done code before. I'm excited to do. Press space to skip. Okay. Pick up the eggs needs exact measuring. Okay, so picking up the eggs needs okay. And look at the ruler. Placing the DODO and say how much inches I need to get. Okay, let's try it. Maybe I understand it. Pick up. Not sure if I'm doing this correctly. Like I say, I think I need to type it, so I'm gonna put 8. Okay, I need to put run. Use a ruler to measure. Okay, I think I did it wrong. Use a ruler to measure the distance, then step the distance. Keep trying. Step. And pick up. And then step. Let's do 8. And run. Oh, okay, I got it. That makes more sense. Alright, so now I'm going to continue. Excellent measuring. Alright, challenge complete. I'm going to go on to the next one. It was kind of hard for me in the beginning because I wasn't sure where to place the number. Alright, so pick up the eggs one by one. To turn the DODO right, use turn right. Guess how DODOs turn left. Not sure. I don't think they turn left. Okay, so it's DODO. That's gonna be, I think, 8 again. So put step, turn left. Step 8. Oh no, oh. Okay, this is confusing. Let's say 8. Pick up. What? No. Use a ruler. No, this is confusing. Pick up. Oh. Move by number of steps. Turn left. Turn right. Pick up. Step 8. Okay, got it. Alright, great. Now I should measure the little ruler now. Oh, what? Pick up. Okay, good. Alright, so I press the thing to pick up. This button right here. After, why is it turning me back again? Oh, I need to put up the whole thing. Turn left. And then I need to measure that distance. Oh, the birds, it would be, and the bird right there, it would be 4. So step 4, and then pick up. So I could do that. Let's see. Run, turn, step 4. Okay, great. What? Turn, run, pick up, pick up. Now this is. I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly, but I'm gonna try again. So I did pick. Okay, step 8, and we pick up. Alright, great. Step 4. Oh, yes. Alright, so I have the steps in the wrong place of the numbering. So now I think I might get the hang of it. Let's see, measure twice, step once. So I need to measure twice and then step once. So I need to turn that across a bridge. That'll be 8. And then plus 7. So I'm adding the steps. So I'm gonna get my ruler, place this, turn this. Will be 8. Step. I'm gonna type in step 8 now, and then enter a second one, and then I put pick up, and then I need to do step. From how many steps do I need to do from the flower to hit the egg? Would be step 7. So hopefully this is the right coding for how it needs to run. Oh, he doesn't know what pickup is. How would I do this? Pick up. Oh, okay, now I need to click the button to place that. So let's see. Step. What does it know? Okay, step 7. I need to put pick up there. And then I need to put right here. I need to put step. And to make sense, I need to use buttons to type in the code. Oh, okay. I picked that up. Alright. That was better. Now I know. Oh, I only need to use step only once, so I'm going to replay that. Okay, so the 5 minutes are up, so this is a 5-minute video mark. So what I learned from this was that I need to use the bottom buttons to code the movements for the dodo bird if I wanted to step forward or pick up the flower, but I can only use step once on this level. So I'm going to continue playing this level to see how far I could get to within the span of either 30 to an hour, now that I have more time